I will Godspeed.
Yes, sir. Look here now. I'm asking anybody into TV land. If anybody watching me on YouTube, if anybody watching me on Facebook, you see, before I was married 4 years ago, and my wife, who named Ann Mackenzie, known as Charm, she used to act and play in Jamaica here. Then Charm migrated to Manami and said that when she reaches Manami, she's going to send for me. I hear that the woman up here get married and leave me down here. But I want to have to tell him, look at me good. Look at me, look at me. Say it loud. I said, say it loud. I'm black and I'm cute. If any woman out there want to have a piece of me, I can share. You know, said, woman go to jail, they're stepping over me. They're fighting over me. So, man, let me tell you something. Don't matter feel say, I can't get anybody down here. Look at my house. Just show them my house. Look what she leave. She leave all of this and gone to Manami and living in some cardboard box. But joined together in Manami. And I'm in Jamaica into a prestige place in Jamaica. Look here now. You think say your man look good? Your man look good because I got one thing to say to you. Don't you wish your boyfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your boyfriend was sexy like me? Don't worry, I got it all in Jamaica. Say it loud. I'm black and I'm cute.